Doing amazing. How are you?
Well, I need your help. I bought my True Meal. I signed up for the meal plan, and I've gone through and kind of tried to tweak some of the things on the meal plan, but I am a super picky eater. I have texture issues. So I'm wondering, when do I need to substitute in the True Meal for my meals in my meal plan? And what are some other options for some of the vegetables that you recommend on the meal plan to lose the weight?
Yeah, absolutely. Seriously, appreciate you calling. I was like, is anybody else going to call this morning? I had a ton of people calling in. So appreciate you calling. And seriously, appreciate you a ton getting True Meal. All right, so with the custom meal plan and with the True Meal, what I would do is whenever you do True Meal instead of one of the meals, just basically what I would do is find whichever, how many calories are you taking in?
I don't even remember what the meal plan said, but I weigh like 415.
Okay, I got you. So what you want to do is make sure, so when you subtract a meal and you substitute True Meal for one of the meals, it's going to be under the calories for that meal. So what you're going to have to do is add those other calories in to one of the other meals or other two meals. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because True Meal is 400 calories, and your meal plan, your meals are probably going to be right around 1,000 calories, I'm guessing.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
All right, perfect, because I always do 3 meals a day to make it simple for everybody. So that's how I would do it with True Meal and the substitutions and everything like that. And then as for the veggies and everything, the textures, trust me, I get it. Do you have an air fryer?
Yes.
I'm telling you, start. It doesn't matter. So with the custom meal plan, don't worry about how it says to make it. If it says poached eggs, eat an egg however the heck you want. Just make sure you eat the egg. But for the veggies, still just throw some different. So you're going to see olive oil and coconut oil and probably avocado oil on there as well. Pick a salad dressing. Get a salad dressing and then match up the salad dressing calories for the olive oil calories. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so you can switch out like dressings for the olive oil or like marinades and stuff.
Yes, exactly. You don't even have to switch it out for yourself on the plan. Just look at the calories. Let's say it says 400 calories for olive oil. Go get a salad dressing that you enjoy and then do 400 calories of that salad dressing and put it on your veggies.
Okay, so like on the meal plan, when it has like a vegetable and like let's say the vegetable is 100 calories, I can substitute in a different vegetable.
100%. 100%. Honestly, don't even stress out about the calories from the veggies because you're gonna do 2 cups here and there of veggies. Like the veggie calories are just nutrients.
Okay.
It's just gonna be the carbs and stuff from it. And you're gonna be just. I personally wouldn't do potatoes and sweet potatoes and stuff like that.
What about sweet potatoes?
I personally wouldn't.
Okay.
So there's a ton of carbs in them and your blood sugars will go through the roof.
Okay. And back to the True Meal. Do I mix that with water or can I mix it with milk or with my coffee?
Don't do milk. Milk's a ton of carbs and sugars. It's like 15 to 13 grams of sugar in milk. And you're going to do like 2 servings of milk because it's going to be like 16 ounces, 12 ounces. So you're going to be doing like 30 grams of carbs and sugars just from the milk. So coffee, almond milk, coconut milk. In coffee, True Meal in coffee, it's phenomenal.
Okay.
What flavor do you have?
I got chocolate milk this first go round.
All right, so chocolate milk in coffee is so delicious.
Okay, so I could throw it in like with my iced coffee or my frappe or whatever I'm gonna make.
So your mocha frappe, whatever you're doing, just do iced coffee. Take the ice out, 2 scoops of True Meal and like 12 ounces of iced coffee. Shake it up in a shaker. You're literally going to thank me the second you drink it because it tastes better than a white girl mocha fricka frappuccino.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Okay. The only other question I have is caffeine. So I am a Dr. Pepper Zero fanatic. Like I love Dr. Pepper Zero. I asked in a Q&A before about doing Dr. Pepper Zero and you said no sodas. So can I drink like Celsius?
Yeah, girl, I'm drinking coffee right now.
Like Monster Zeros, Bangs, those are all fine?
So I drink those, and what's so funny is like, whenever I talk about diet soda, everybody loses their mind. And like, the thing is there's just so much, so like the caramel coloring in there and aspartame. The aspartame with me, is if it's banned in a couple different countries, and when people and when people take an aspartame and they get headaches aren't good. So if it's causing other people to get headaches, I don't want to ingest that. You know what I mean? And I know it does cause problems to the gut health, and gut health all around is so important.
Yeah, see, the aspartame makes a lot of sense because I have a brain tumor and I have IBS-D on top of it. So, yeah, I definitely need to put down the Dr. Pepper Zero. Okay.
So,
and how much water do you recommend?
So I don't track my water. The only thing I track is I track calories.
Okay. So if I wanted to do, like, the no sugar, like, not necessarily crystalline. I love the Walmart brand mix-ins with my water. Mm-hmm. Are those safe?
I have no idea what it's sweetened with. Most of the zero sugar stuff, most of it is going to be either sucralose or aspartame. I personally do sucralose. Sucralose is chemically broken down as sugar to where you're not getting the insulin response like you are with regular sugar.
They're sweetened with aspartame.
They are sweetened with aspartame. I figured it's going to be aspartame.
Okay, so that's a no-no too.
Have you tried the Mios? I know Mios isn't with aspartame.
It's been years since I've tried Mios, but I mean, it's worth trying again. So
no. I'm just curious of what you've tried. I'm trying to think of other different things. Okay, so I love Dr. Pepper. I freaking love Dr. Pepper. Like, I'll be straight up, love it. So when you said I love Diet Dr. Pepper, I'm like, girl, trust me, I love Dr. Pepper. Have you had the ice drinks?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of them.
Have you tried every flavor?
Pretty close. My mom was on a big kick with them, and they're just not my favorite.
Interesting. All right. Have you tried the Sparkling Waters Waterloo?
No.
Okay. So I like the Waterloos, and those. So I figured out what it was with soda. Why I love soda. It's the carbonation. I love the carbonation. So I now only drink carbonated water. I'm that bougie person that whenever I go out to eat, I'm literally always getting club soda with lime. So that stops me from getting soda. Day in and day out, it stops me from getting soda. So the Waterloos definitely helped me out get into the carbonated water. You can get those at Target. You can get them at a lot of grocery stores. You're in North Carolina. Where was I that they definitely had that? I didn't even go grocery shopping when I was there. I love North Carolina. Charlotte, gorgeous city.
Actually, I'm in South Carolina. I'm in Myrtle Beach.
Oh, that's so weird. Your caller ID said North Carolina.
Ex-military, we've moved around and all that good stuff.
Gotcha. Love it. Just when you go to the grocery store, try and grab some different types of sparkling waters, different types of sparkled flavored waters, and try and see if that helps. I'm telling you, that's when I figured out it's not soda that I love, it's the carbonated water. So I have my own carbonated water machine at home, and that's all I drink.
Okay, I'm going to the grocery store tomorrow, so I will definitely give it a try.
Awesome. Yeah, just try and find different ones that you like or whatnot. And then I'm trying to think of other water enhancers because I get it. Trust me, I get it. I'm in Arizona. We can't even drink our tap water. You'd probably die. Yeah, just mix it up. Try and find stuff that you like. And then just with the custom plan, just keep it simple. Do not overthink it. Keep it simple. Do not overthink it. And day by day, meal by meal, go off those before and after photos.
And when do you recommend to put physical activity into it? Because right now at my weight, physical activity is just, it's not going to happen.
So I always say if you can work out, work out. But now that you have the custom meal plan, because the custom meal plan is made towards your activity level, so I wouldn't change it yet, but obviously getting active, walking around if you can, getting riding a bike, super low impact riding the bike. But I'm telling you, you start to hit those calories every day. Within a week, you're going to be like, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time, but you're just going to feel all around better really quickly.
I appreciate you talking to me. I'm starting all this next Monday, and
hold on.
Looking forward to taking before and hopefully some nice after pictures here soon.
Why are we starting next Monday?
life changes. My sister was living with us. She moved out, so I'm trying to clean out my freezer and get all the temptation out of my house. I don't have much willpower, so if I have the snacks and the stuff here, I'm going to wind up eating it. So if I just eliminate it, get it out of my house, I know that I can start on a fresh slate, and I won't go to the grocery store and buy it. So
I'm glad you won't go to the grocery store and not buy it, but we got to hone it with a week away, girl. We got to start this right now. Look. I'm not telling you to start straight into it. What I want you to start doing right now is just eating meat and veggies.
Oh, that's easy peasy.
Today's Monday. Let's go. Let's not start next Monday. You could be down 5 pounds by next Monday.
I'm gonna get there.
Let's go. You gotta figure out that why.
Yeah.
Love
I'm
it.
gonna get there. Thank you very much. I appreciate you taking my call.
Hey, you got it. Absolutely. Thank you for calling.
Have a good night.
Hey, you as well. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.